Right, so part 2 of these videos, I'm going to be doing Kate's hoodie. Kate is my fiance, and I did a hoodie for her years ago, and it's just stood the test of time. But the colours have really faded because I just used like kids almost party dyes for this one, so it's left a nice little pattern, so we're going to redo it. I'll add some more pink, maybe a bit of purple, see how we get on. All I'm using this time is like a little 7-litre tub that I've drilled some holes into the bottom of. And again, we'll be putting this in to kind of dips and troughs in there. So we've got some bits stood up, some bits sunk to the bottom. No real rhyme or reason to it, just so it creates this like a tight scrunched effect. Let's see how we can get on. So this will be going in here. It's a bit deep, so we're going to put a lever through there to kind of hang it on the tub, so all the dirt and the muck water just kind of drips through. And it's because I don't want the white hoodie sat in the basically the wastewater. But I've got a bit creative with it. Find a piece of something to kind of keep this off the bottom of that bucket. Won't take me long. I know that's really long, that's overkill, so I'm going to try and stand it up like that, because I don't want that wood to take away from any of the room. The ice is going to go on the hoodie. Like I keep saying, it's all a learning curve, and we'll just see how we get on with it, see what fun we can have. Yeah, another bag of ice. Be a little bit more selective where we. Just done what's left into the other two. Kate was asking some pink added to this, so I'll do a bit of pink, and because I'm extra, I'll probably do a bit of purple as well. I'll try a couple of pinks, see what we've got. So again, just the pink going on, trying to be a little bit more these dyes are brilliant, the colours come out really well. And to be fair, they're not expensive for what they do. You can get them online for about £5 a tub. loads of different colours as well. And apparently I've not had a go at this yet, but you can mix your own colours with them. But I think that's something we'll have a go at down the line, probably make a video on it and see what car crash results we can get, or maybe even I'll put a little bit of this one in as well. It's a nice colour. It's raspberry, but it's more of a reddy purple. Right. Don't overdo that one. Kate likes it nice and subtle. But while I'm still working out the ratios from dye to ice, a lot of the hoodies are coming out with like a pastel effect anyway, pastel shades, which apparently people like. But like I said, I'm the least fashion conscious person on the planet. Well, no, that's not considered, but I dyed, yeah. Pastel colours don't do it for me, so but apparently they're popular. Right, so I'll tell you what, we'll go for a little tour. I'll try and do some cameraman work myself here. Unplug you from this stand. So this is what we've got. These are the colours, and the colours do look fantastic, especially when they start to melt like that. But that's, I'll just drip there into the, this is now the waste bucket. I'll take you around to see the blue one. This is the blue, purple, and there is a streak of turquoise in there somewhere, but by the time the colours are finished blending, I don't know whether it'll even show. Maybe, again, like I said, it is a learning journey, so maybe learning about placement of the powders is as important, maybe leaving a gap and things like that, but I'll pick it up as I go along. I'm not an idiot. I do think this one's going to be pretty cool though. I do love that green. They're looking hulky and space asteroid, right? So that's that. I'll probably pick you up when I've got more to do. I am going to do more videos as well, for the design process, as I'm messing around with some logo designs for the brand. The brand is called M13, as I've said, because that's where we're from. It's the area in Manchester where we come from. Not gang affiliated or anything like that, don't worry about that. You won't be pulled into any nonsense. But yeah, we'll see how we get on in the next chapters of both M13 and Maximum Effort, because I'm going to be recording absolutely everything as we go. Right, oh dear, that's the tie collection also. Right, see you later.